But in 3 years, I had 3 floods, a fire, and an explosion.
Really?
I did.
Oh my.
I did. Yeah. So it was tough.
Yeah, definitely.
It was tough. And the first flood actually shut me down for most of the first summer.
Right.
And I never really recovered after that.
No, definitely. Like I see a lot of like small businesses also that the pet shop also.
Yes.
She was facing 2 times or 3 times facing fires too. It's definitely hard on them. For
Absolutely.
Sure.
Yeah. And for me, insurance didn't cover the first flood because I had only been open 6 weeks at the time.
Oh.
And so it was all out of pocket.